I appreciate though you coming over. It's the way to do it.
Today we're gonna talk to people at lunchtime. Lunchtime is such an interesting moment to meet people. You know, there's always so many people eating on their own, pretending to be focused on their food while they go like this. So we're gonna talk to a few of them and see what happens. I spot these two people and I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna sit right in the middle and see if I can start a group conversation. What's up? How are you? Pretty good. Just enjoying the sun lunch break. How is that book?
Good.
It's okay?
Yeah.
You multitask, one hand to read, one hand to eat?
Have to.
You have to?
Yeah.
What about audiobooks? You never thought of that?
I've thought of it, but I don't like it.
You don't like it? You don't like to read during lunch?
I think of that.
I read too much at work. Where are you from? You got a French accent.
I am from France. Well, you have a... As you said that, I heard like a British accent.
From South Africa, but
So, okay,
I
that's...
speak the Queen's English. So
Yeah.
It's part of the Commonwealth.
Okay.
So a lot of people get it confused.
I'm trying to engage with both of them, but you know, chemistry isn't always great. Which kind of day do you have today? Busy? Usually busy? I mean, okay.
Well, most of my team is gone, so
So you have to work for everyone or? Okay.
enjoy your lunch.
You too. That interaction was nothing crazy and she left before I was able to make them talk to each other, but it was a very good warm-up for the next one.
Yeah, man. Also got to get back to it.
Good luck, dude. You too, man. As the dude leaves, I'm looking around to find someone I can talk to and I see this woman eating from the smallest Tupperware and I don't know, I got inspired. You have a very small lunchbox, I was intrigued. I was just intrigued, I wanted to ask you about it, but
Like that?
no, I was just intrigued, I wanted to ask you about it.
Or just salad
Okay,
and a tiny Tupperware.
okay. It's like a little, I don't know. I feel like I've never seen people bring lunch in such small Tupperware. It's like something to put like a sauce in.
What do you have for lunch?
I had like, so I went to the gym
I was just gonna say.
yeah,
you're
no, because
teasing me about my lunch. It's not even solid.
Yeah. Because you said I should like scream this on the
Yeah.
on the thing, so I
Yeah.
said I'd rather like talk to one person.
Yeah.
And then maybe like next week you are here and you have lunch on your own and you're like, oh, you know, like that was fun, like, and someone's eating a salad, you know, everyone's eating a salad on their own. Look at this guy, this girl. I guess salad is a lonely dish.
I mean, I don't know. Sometimes it's easier to just. Salad's not lonely.
What?
Salad's not lonely.
Shit?
Salad's not lonely.
Yeah, I was just making a joke. Don't take it so personally. Pleasure to meet you. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck with your juice there.
Yeah, it's over, so...
It's over.
This woman turned out to be very nice. Those are just highlights, but we actually talked about all sorts of things for 45 minutes. Have a nice day. Very nice talking to you. This last interaction was actually shot another day. We were leaving the spot, but this really cute girl sat down, so I just wanted to say hello. Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Very good. I just saw you.
Oh, thank you.
How are you? What's your name? Ruben.
Ruben, nice to meet you.
Everything green, the eyes, the dress, even the...
This was not planned, but the green dress for the green eyes was planned.
Nice. How's your day going?
Good. I have to do some catching up because I'm getting a new roommate after a longer one.
Anyone you felt a good vibe with?
Oh, I haven't met them yet.
Oh, I see.
I'm arranging.
Did your other roommate leave because what kind of trouble are you causing in the house?
Oh, they're just, their commute is over 3 hours a day.
So it's not because of you?
It's definitely not
You're a
because of
decent
me.
person to live with?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you work in the city or What brings you here?
Do you think I just
Some
randomly?
people like to hang out here.
Who is we?
My mom.
Oh, okay. So that's your boyfriend?
No, I do have a boyfriend.
You do have a
I
boyfriend?
do, yeah.
And did he bring you to Paris also?
I didn't know him then.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries then.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to meet
Yes,
you.
absolutely. I
Good luck with
appreciate
your
your-
roommates.
I appreciate though you coming over. You should keep doing that
I-
to people
I-
you might be in.
Yeah, I do it. I do
It's the way to do it.
Whenever I get inspired, I do it. Interactions are really nice. Even if nothing comes out of it, I think just to express yourself, to share a moment with someone, to feel like you connect, it always makes me feel good. So why not? If you end up talking to someone random, I'd love to hear it. Otherwise, see you next time.